question mark is used at the end of a question. It lets us know that what the person is saying is a question and not a statement. A question sentence is one that often starts with one of the following words: who, what, when, where, why, or how. But question marks can also be used with sentences that start with other words. For example, how are you? Do you want to eat? Question marks are not used in indirect questions. For example, did you do your homework? Uses a question mark, but Tom asked Jim if he did his homework. Does not.